Hello students, welcome to standard 9 subject mathematics chapter 8 quadrilaterals. This is lecture number 1 in this. So in very first lecture about the quadrilateral, in earlier classes also we have seen some figures, and about that somewhat we know. The definition also we know. Just recall here and better understanding here. So the quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices, that you know. This figure is given A, B, C, D, having 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. Here we have mentioned it all. In quadrilateral ABCD, 4 sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. 4 sides. 4 angles are angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. 4 angles. And these 4 points which are on the vertex, they are called vertices of the quadrilateral ABCD. They are point A, B, C and D. Point A, B, C and D are called vertices, 4 vertices of the quadrilateral. So quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. This way. Now if you draw, now you joining opposite vertices. Opposite vertices are A and C and B and D. If we join opposite vertices, that is A to C and B to D, like this in this figure, A to C is joined, B to D is joined. So then this AC and BD form diagonals. That is here. So 2 diagonals we will have in the quadrilateral, and in this quadrilateral ABCD, AC and BD are 2 diagonals. So these are the parts of quadrilateral. You can say 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices and 2 diagonals. This is all about the quadrilateral. Now next we have angle sum property of a quadrilateral. In last chapter, chapter number 7, triangles, we have proved that angle sum property of a triangle. In that we know the sum of all 3 angles of a triangle is 180. Right? So if you see here, this is the triangle actually, A, B, C, one of the triangle in the quadrilateral by the diagonal. So sum of these 3 is 180 and sum of these 3 is also 180. So all angles sum will be 180 plus 180, 360. So therefore, the sum of the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. For triangle case, sum of all the 3 angles 180, but in quadrilateral, all the 4 angles sum will be 360 degree. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. If you do, all the 4 angles sum will be 360 degree. That you have to remember. This is the angle sum property called. Now next is types of quadrilateral. To understand it, we have drawn the 6 figures here, and all are quadrilateral. You can see having 4 sides. All have 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. And we will see how many types of they are. So first figure is this. It's called trapezium. The definition is one pair of opposite sides of quadrilateral ABCD in figure 1, that is AB parallel CD. You can see in this figure carefully. This AB and CD, one pair of both sides is parallel, the other side is not. Only one pair of opposite side is parallel. So this type of quadrilateral is called trapezium. Simple. In quadrilateral, if one pair only of the opposite side is parallel, it is called trapezium. Next figure 2. For that the parallelogram it is. In this what happens? Both pairs of opposite sides of quadrilateral. In figure 2, 3, 4 and 5 actually. In this also, both the pairs of opposite sides, PQ and SR, PS and RQ are parallel. In this third figure also, MN parallel SR, SM parallel RN. In fourth figure, DE parallel GF and GD parallel FE. In fifth, AB parallel DC and BA parallel CB. So in all these figures, figure number 2, 3, 4 and 5, all 4 figures, both the opposite opposite sides pair are parallel. That is here, both pairs of opposite sides of quadrilateral in figure 2, 3, 4, 5 are parallel. Such quadrilaterals, these all four types of quadrilaterals are called parallelogram. Right? So all these four are parallelogram. Second number, third number, fourth number and fifth number figure are parallelogram because both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Next, third number is rectangle. This figure, third figure we have to see. In figure 3, it is parallelogram, that also we know. In parallelogram M and RS, what is extra here as special given? Angle M is 90 degree. So that is noted. In figure 3, it is parallelogram M and RS with angle M 90 degree. So if in parallelogram any one angle is of 90 degree, it is called a rectangle. So it is called a rectangle. Okay. Next, fourth figure is for rhombus. In that, in figure 4, it is also a parallelogram that we have seen here. In parallelogram, what is special in this one? In DEFG, in this parallelogram DEFG, all sides are equal. All sides are this way shown equal. DE equals EF equals GF equals FD. All sides are equal in this parallelogram. So this type of special parallelogram is called a rhombus. So rhombus means the parallelogram in which all the four sides are equal. Fifth number is this figure. Square, it is in figure 5. It is also a parallelogram. What is special in this? Angle A is 90 degree as well as all four sides are equal and all sides are equal. So it is called a square. You can understand this square, in all the four sides are equal, and this rhombus, in that also all the four sides are equal. You can say every square is a rhombus because all four sides are equal. But every rhombus is not a square because in rhombus only four sides are equal. But in square all four sides are equal as well as all four angles also will be of 90 degree. So square is a parallelogram, square is a rhombus, you can say rhombus with all the four sides equal, it is also called parallelogram, and square is also parallelogram. That also you can understand. Now next is the sixth figure we have for that, like it is called kite. It is look like kite. You know we are flying the kites in kite flying day, 14th January. So this is kite called. Why it is so called? In figure 6, what is the observation here? You can observe very well. Is the quadrilateral ABCD given. In that AB equals CD. This AB equals CD given, and AB equals BC given. That is two pairs of adjacent sides. These two are adjacent sides are equal, and these two are also adjacent sides, they are equal. So two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. This type of quadrilateral it is not a parallelogram. It is not called parallelogram. So what is this called? It is called a kite. So this way, in this lecture, we have understood what is quadrilateral, angle sum property of quadrilateral, that is 360 degree. All four angle sum is 360 degree, and the types of quadrilateral. And we have seen trapezium, parallelogram. These all four parallelograms: rectangle, rhombus, square, and kite. With all the observations we have seen. So you are suggested to write it down. And remember it, practice it, draw it again and again 2-3 times, and prepare it very well. And keep in your mind this concept very well. Thank you.